Hello everyone, welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Today is the April 14, which is the second day of the Songkran Festival. We are here right by the Khao San Road and now we are going to Chinatown to check around and get some food. So join us to see how Chinatown looks like in Songkran time and see some delicious food options in very authentic place here in Chinatown, Bangkok. And of course we are going there with a tuk-tuk, so let's go.
Outside of the tuk-tuk. Fucking out of nowhere. Oh my god! Jeez! It got us bad! Oh my god! That was bad! Oh my god! I was already dry! I was dry already. So cold. So cold. Oh my god. They got us bad. That was dirty. I think we're here. Oh, there it is. We made it. Good. Come on, Cap. We're the only one. Did you give him money? Yeah. Oh, okay. He said 200, but I give 3 because he let us take it. Yeah. Thank you. Good night. Oh my god. I was dry already. Alright, here it is, Chinatown. Oh, look at all this food. What about this one? Scorpion. You want to get some scorpion? No? Yeah, baby. Scorpion on a stick.
Here we are at the heart of Chinatown in Bangkok. So I'm not very familiar with all these foods and I can't read neither Chinese nor Thai. So please feel free to comment if you have any questions and I'll do my best to find the answer.
Try the pad thai here.
You hungry?
Always. Hungry or not, I'm eating. It don't matter if I'm eating. Want coconut?
Heck yeah, dude. It's like $2 per minute. Yeah, that's good. Oh my god. Huh? What is that? Pumpkin, look at it. Can we go down here?
this one, remember?
Oh,
That we were waiting in line?
Dude, I'm full. Oh, I mean,
And we could order this to go and bring it home. We're going home after this, right?
yeah. Or we just eat. If we go home, just eat here. I don't want to carry stuff.
Oh, actually,
You know.
no, Donna could bring it home because I know she won't come out.
Well, we go out anyway, so.
Yeah, we can eat over there.
Yeah. Oh, how big are they? Look at that.
And I was seeing this. I was seeing this thing.
Oh, there's the scorpion. Oh, the big one.
Like old town, old cities. Even if they want to fix it, you can't fix
No,
it.
you can't fix it.
How are you gonna fix it?
No way. Oh my god. Wow.
Food here is real. What are you taking to go?
Oh, look at that double decker. There's a kitchen and everything.
So as you can see, the whole atmosphere changes in the evening when the lights turn on. So I would recommend coming here in the early evening or late afternoon so you can experience the day and night scene here in Chinatown. By the way, this is part of our 18 days of Thailand trip. In this trip, we are visiting Phuket, Khao Lat, Krabi and many other places. So if you're interested in visiting Thailand or just curious about it, check out my channel and hit the subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the new videos. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.